I am ready to put on a show!
Whoa! Amazing! Here we go!
Good job!
Go, go, go!
Wow! Congratulations!
We're in trouble now.
Boy!
Wow!
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
You're a great team. I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? Are we not friends anymore?
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yay!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift.
Here we go! Good job!
Liz, I think you're confused, boy. Hey, what happened?
Here we go!
Go, go, go!
Going to kill kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy ones. Going to find these chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time!
Yay! Good morning! Ohayou gozaimasu! I am ready to put on a show!
Oh, hello. Whoa, amazing!
We're in trouble now.
Wow! Congratulations! Good job! Amazing!
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
You're a great team.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister? Are we not friends anymore?
Here we go!
Let's go!
Oh, yes!
Yes, in the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops. Are the others okay? You are a brute. Get out of here! We have come home.
Go, go, go! We're in trouble now.
Good job!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift. That's right. Come a little closer.
You're a great team.
Hey, what happened?
Here we go!
Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump puppy ones. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time!